Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing well today. So we're going to be checking out my Ipsy Glam Bag X Box for May 2021. So this month's box was curated by Khloe Kardashian. So I'm going to share with y'all what she picked for this month's box, and then I'll show y'all what Ipsy picked, and then I'll give y'all my overall thoughts and let y'all know if I think that this month's box was worth the $55 price tag. So before we get into the box, if this is your first time on my channel, hello and welcome. My name is SonyaNicole. I post new videos here every week, including some stuff for us makeup lovers who are 40 and over. So I really hope that y'all consider subscribing while you're here today. I would really appreciate your support, and I would love to have y'all join the channel. Okay, y'all, let's jump right into the box. Okay, so if you want some more information on Ipsy, or if you're interested in signing up, I will have a link in my description box. But for those of you who may not be too familiar with it, if you are familiar with BoxyCharm, Ipsy is kind of similar to that. So that it is a monthly beauty subscription service, and they do have one package that starts at $12 per month. You get 4 to 5 deluxe samples. It would be a mix of makeup and skincare, and they always come in a cute little bag similar to these bags back here. Then they have a mid-range package that is $25 a month. That would be the one that's most similar to BoxyCharm's base box. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, and it comes in a bigger bag compared to these. And then they have the relatively new Glam Bag X, which is what we're going to get into today. Glam Bag X is only 4 times a year, every 3 months, and it will replace either your base or your Glam Bag Plus for that month. It is $55 for each month that you get the box, and that would be the one that's most similar to Boxy Luxe. However, what's unique about Glam Bag X is that these boxes are curated by a celebrity. So the first box that came out was back in February. That one was by Patrick Ta. This one is by Khloe Kardashian. So it's going to be a mix of some products that Khloe picked herself to go in the box, plus some Ipsy exclusive products. So I don't know if I missed something along the way with this month's box, but I thought you were supposed to be able to pick 3 of the products yourself. I don't remember getting any notifications, and I did think about it a couple of times. I went onto the app and I didn't see anything about picking products. So I don't know if I just missed that or if we just weren't supposed to be picking products this month. I'm not sure, but I will say that I was disappointed when I found out that this box was not going to be curated by Pat McGrath, because that's who I was hoping it was going to be. So after that, I did just kind of lose interest in the box, and I wasn't really keeping up with it too much. So it is very possible that I just wasn't paying attention to the opportunities to personalize the box. So I only knew of one possible product for this month, which I'll show you guys first. Outside of that, I really had no idea what was going to be in my box until I opened it when I got it in the mail. But let me show you this first. So each of the boxes do come with this pamphlet, and it is a lot of helpful information in here, but I do wish that this was a little more compact because it is kind of big. It has a few pages in here, but it is helpful information, I will say that. But it just gives you like a message here from Khloe on the front, and then it'll show you a list of the products that she picked, and it's a variety, so not everybody got the same products. And then it'll show you the Ipsy exclusives, and then it looks like just some information on like little tips on how Khloe likes to apply her makeup. And then on the back of it, it looks like, I guess this is a list of all of the possible products that could have been in your boxes, it looks like. Okay, so let's start off with what Khloe selected for the box. And this first product, this is the only thing that I knew that I was possibly gonna get. So this is the Patrick Star Visionary One Size palette, and it looks like the other eyeshadow palette option was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. So some of us got this, and then some of us got the ABH palette. So I do really like this packaging because I love this color here, but I'm not too crazy about the palette. I remember when this came out and I just wasn't excited about this at all. So I'm going to show you guys the colors as much as I can, but I don't want to take the protective sleeve off because I think I know someone who would like this palette. So I'm going to give this to her. But that's what the color scheme looks like. This is just not something that appeals to me. So, I mean, it does look like it would be like a nice everyday palette for some people with a little pop of color in there, but it's just not something that I'm interested in. So I'm gonna see if one of my friends would prefer to have this. I do think I would have preferred, well, I definitely would have preferred the Modern Renaissance palette, because I have a couple of ABH palettes, but I've never tried the Modern Renaissance one. So if I had gotten that one, I definitely would have put that to use, but I'm just not interested in this Patrick Star palette. I was about to say Patrick Ta. I'm not interested in this palette, so I'm gonna gift this to someone. But this is the first product that's in my box, and this one retails for $42. Okay, this, I am so excited that I got this. This is 111 Skin. Is it 111 Skin or 111 Skin? I've always said 111 Skin, but this is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I'm so excited that I got this. I want to say it was in maybe Boxy Luxe. It might have been Boxy Premium, but somebody was getting this in a subscription service, and I kept seeing it floating around YouTube, and I've been wanting to try this. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this one is expensive, I believe. Yeah, this thing retails for $135. So I will say, like, sometimes when products have like a really hefty price tag like that, I wonder if it's just like inflated, like if it's really that necessary for this to be so expensive. I don't know, but this right here pays for the box itself. So let's see what this is supposed to do. So this is supposed to enhance your natural radiance and give your skin a dewy and lit from within look. It's supposed to make sallow skin look utterly iridescent. So I don't know, iridescent might be a bit too much for me, but I'm thinking this would be good to perhaps mix in with foundation maybe. So can you guys see that? That's what it looks like. And then let me rub this in a little bit. I can definitely see the radiance from that little drop of product. So I'm interested in, I don't really see iridescence, but that was just a little tiny drop of it, but I don't really see iridescence from that. I just see a little bit of dew. But I'm interested in either trying this underneath my foundation or mixing it in with the foundation to see what it looks like. So I'm really happy that I got this, because I've been wanting to try this for a long time. So again, this one retails for $135, so that more than pays for the box right there. So this is another product that I think I'm going to get some use out of at least. This is the Rodile Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm. So I've been hearing a good amount of stuff about Rodile, and I always said if I ever got something from this brand in one of my boxes that I would definitely try it. But I don't really know too much about the brand. I just know that people have been using it and people have been really liking it. So this is supposed to lift and illuminate your skin. So let's see. I just want to see like what the consistency of this is. I'm going to put this on my other hand here. It's really thick. Wow, this stuff is really thick. No, I feel like my package is a little stuck or something, because nothing is coming out. Let me see if I can find something to poke it with. Okay, I had like a hardened film over. No, why is this so thick? Is it supposed to be like, I can't squeeze this stuff out. It's not coming out. Is it supposed to be this hard to come out? The instructions don't say anything special about getting this out, so I'm just kind of like massaging this a little bit, but I highly doubt it's supposed to be this difficult to get this stuff out of the bottle. Okay, now it's coming out. I guess I just had to massage it a little bit. Okay. So that's what it looks like here, and this is supposed to be a makeup remover / cleansing balm that's supposed to lift and illuminate. So this right here does feel really nice and soothing. This is something that I would definitely try. It is quite scented though. I don't like, yeah. I'm gonna have to think about this because the scent is kind of strong. I don't really like florally and perfumey scents in my skincare stuff. I like fresh scents or preferably just fragrance free, but this stuff is quite scented. Yeah, it does have fragrance on the list of ingredients here. I don't know. This is kind of strong. I might try it once just to see, but just sniffing it now, I don't think that this is something that I would use regularly, because it has like a really perfumey scent, and I just don't really care for that. So with that being said, I don't know if this is something that I'll be getting consistent use out of, but like I said, I have been wanting to try something from this brand, but I'll definitely try it at least once and see if the scent is bearable, but I don't think it's going to be, but you know. But anyway, this is the next product in my box. I feel like if I can't use this, my niece would probably like it, so I might give it to her. All right, so the next product that was selected by Khloe is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen. This is a fine tip detailing pen that creates natural looking brow hairs. So it sounds like this is supposed to be very similar to the NYX Lift and Snatch brow pen, which I recently bought that. I used it a couple of times just because everybody keeps talking about it. And I do like it, it's okay, but I do prefer powders for filling in my brows. So this is what the packaging looks like. So I feel like this is another product that I guess I'm indifferent about. Like it's something that I would use, but not necessarily something that I was excited about getting. So this is what the applicator looks like. It does look very detailed. Yeah, and it does look like it would create like natural looking like brow strokes. So I'll definitely give this a try. And what color is this? This is the color dark brown, and that does look like it's going to be a good color for me. So, you know, not something that I was like really excited about seeing in my box, but I feel like it's something that I would get some use out of. But like I said, I do prefer brow hairs, but I mean, what did I say? Brow powders. But I would definitely give this a try. So I'm definitely not upset that I got this in the box, because like I said, I would get some use out of this, I think. So the last product that Khloe picked for us is the MAC Love Me lipstick. And I have the shade Bated Breath. So I'm assuming we got different colors for those of us who got this. Let me see. No, it looks like she selected the shade Bated Breath for everyone. So this is a satin lipstick. So let me first show you guys the packaging. I really like this. I think it's nice and chic looking. And again, this is a product that I'm not like over the moon about, but this is something that I would use and get some use out of. This is a really pretty color. So let me do a swatch of this really quickly. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. This actually reminds me of one of my favorite lipsticks ever, which is Maybelline's Brown Blush. It's a little different, but let me see if I can find brown blush so I can do a side by side really quickly. Okay, they are a little different actually. They're actually a lot different, but this here is the Maybelline lipstick in brown blush, and then this is the MAC lipstick. But I don't know why when I swatched this it reminded me of Maybelline's brown blush, but as you can see they are different. But this is definitely a shade that I would wear, and it's a nice satin lipstick. This one is actually not quite as matte as the Maybelline one, and I really love the formula of these Maybelline lipsticks, but this one looks like a softer formula, so that's something that I would definitely get some use out of. So I'm excited about getting this one in my box. Okay, so those are all of the products that Khloe selected for the box. So I would say so far we're doing okay. I'm a little disappointed about the Rodile cleansing balm because it's very scented, but outside of that, I think we're doing okay. Like I said, the Patrick Star palette, that's not something that appealed to me, but I think that's something that a lot of people will like. So, you know, when it comes to these subscription boxes, you just can't expect to be happy with every single thing that you get in the box. So overall, I think we're doing okay so far. So next, let me show you guys what the Ipsy exclusives were for this month. All right, so the first product, I believe this brand is pronounced Lolia or Lalia. This is the Breathe Peony and White Lily Shea Butter Hand Cream. So this is what their box looks like. Very nice and seasonal, I guess. And this is the packaging here. So I'm really hoping that I can use this. I do get kind of picky about lotions that I put on my hands because some things do give me hives. So I'm really hoping that this isn't one of those things. They have a really nice protective seal on here, so I have to find something to open this with. But I'm hoping that I can use this because it sounds like something that I would really enjoy. But if I can't use it on my hands, I feel like I could also use this for a body cream. My hands tend to be like extra sensitive to stuff. So, okay, that did take a little bit of work to get this open, but this is what it looks like Looks really thick and creamy. It has like a very faint perfumey smell. Again, this is something that I might not use because it doesn't smell as strong as, there's really nothing to see, I just rubbed it in my arm, but it doesn't smell as strong as the cleansing balm, but it does have like a slight perfumey smell to it. So again, I don't know, I'll definitely try this on my body. I probably wouldn't use this on my hands though, because I feel like it's too strong for me. But if you guys aren't really sensitive to scents like that, I think you'll be fine with this, but for me it's a little strong. So I don't know, I'll see. I'll update you guys on this one, but this is probably something else that I can hand off to my niece and she'll probably like it. We'll see. But this has, some of the ingredients in here are macadamia nut and avocado oil, aloe, and shea butter, peony and white lily, of course. So it sounds very luxurious, but the scent is just a bit too strong for me. So that's the next product in my box. This is one of the ones that Ipsy picked out. Next we have the Complex Culture Rose Quartz. I believe it's pronounced gua sha. I'll put it up on the screen because I know I'm not saying that right. This is a sculpting stone. So here's the packaging here. These types of products I'm not too crazy about. Like, I will say that I just don't ever take the time to try them though. So maybe I need to do that. But these products I just always feel like I can do without. Oh, this is pretty though. So this is the sculpting stone. So I'm assuming this is something that you can like rub across your skin just to kind of like, you know, help to sculpt. So I'll try this. It definitely feels nice and luxurious and kind of weighty like. And then it comes with this little cute pouch too. So I mean, I just don't ever like care for trying these kinds of products out, but I'll try it just to see. But I do think this little pouch thing is kind of cute. Nice for traveling. So okay, this last product I definitely could have done without. This is the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. Now again, I have gotten a couple other lip masks and I just never tried them because a lip mask is just something that I just don't think that I would want to use. But this is what they look like. So this came with 5. Yeah, we have 5 of these in the box. And this is supposed to give your lips a visibly plump, hydrated, soft, smooth, and moisturized feel. I mean, I'll probably not even try this, to be honest with you. I'm just not interested in lip masks. So I definitely could have done without this product. Okay, and it looks like that is it. So those are all of the products that I got. I'm looking in the box for something else because I really want there to be something else in here, but that's all the stuff that I got for this month. And when I started out looking at the products that Khloe picked for us, I thought the box was okay. Like, even though I wasn't too crazy about the Patrick Star palette, again, that's one of those products that I feel like most people will enjoy getting. It's just not something for me. But I felt like the products that she picked for us were okay. But when I got to the Ipsy exclusives, it kind of like went downhill from there. I was excited about this until I smelled it. I feel like this is just not something that I can use because it's just too strongly scented for me. I am going to try this thing again, like I said, but I feel like these 3 products, I would have preferred something else. You know what I mean? So I'm a little indifferent about it. I mean, I'm very happy that I got the 111 Skin booster, but that's really the only product in the box that I'm like really excited about. But that plus the MAC lipstick and the ABH brow pen, those 3 products I do think that I'll get some consistent use out of. So the Radiant booster, the 111 Skin, that pretty much paid for the box for me. But overall, I don't really know how I feel about it. I just feel like I wish I had gotten maybe some Ipsy products that I would have been more excited about, you know? So let me know what y'all think. If y'all have Ipsy Glam Bag X, let me know in the comments what you got in your box and how you feel about the box. I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video today. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe before you head out, and I will see y'all back here for my next one. Until then, take care. Have a good one, y'all. Bye.